Hello students, welcome to the video where I am going to tell you what you have to do in the month of September to ace our practice, to ace our preparation for our CLAT exam. See, we have only 3 months left. There is no space for making any excuses anymore, right? It does not matter if you have, I hope there is no one in a situation where they have started, like they are raw. Maybe there are some students, it's okay, it's fine. Point is, you have to now give more hours to your preparation. That's the only point. It does not matter whether you have been preparing for an year, a month, or few months. It all boils down to what you do in the next month. In fact, in the next 3 months. Let's start what we have to do in the month of September in order to be very sure that we are doing something very good for our preparation in CR. See, if you're school going, I understand your dilemma whether to focus on school or on CLAT. What you do is you fix your goals for the day. Okay, you fix your goals that I have to do this much, मुझे इतना करना ही है, right? Before you go to sleep, you should be you should have that sense of achievement that we have done something that was meant to be done in that day. If you're going to school, I have your numbers ready. You'd read 2 articles every day. Only 2 articles are enough to strengthen your CR reading part. And in fact, this article reading will help you in all the 3 subjects of reasoning: English, CR and legal. Reading will go nowhere. Do not question, do not judge yourself कि if this reading is helping or not. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने reading करी है, बहुत अच्छे से करी and it will go to waste. ऐसा नहीं होता. आपने पढ़ने की आदत डालनी है. वो अब तक डल गई होगी, नहीं डली है तो you still have what? 90 days. Right? You still have what? 3 months, 3 full months. If you read 2 articles every day, you are doing what? Gathering information. You practice 4 passages in one day, that means only 20 questions in a day. That's it. 20 days, time bound. This is essential. You do it in a time bound manner. Okay, that's it. You do 4 passages, 20 questions, time bound. If you feel this is too less, you increase the number of questions. This is, I am telling you, the minimum that you have to do if you want to be sure कि मेरा exam clear हो जाएगा. Newspaper reading is a must. Editorials and articles on specific topics. Now this is important. See, I have heard students कहते हुए कि इकोनॉमिक्स समझ नहीं आती, साइंस देख के डर जाते हैं. देयर इज नो सच थिंग इन क्लैट. आपने कोई आर्टिकल पढ़ना है तो बस पढ़ना है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मुझे इकोनॉमिक्स आती नहीं है तो मैं पढ़ नहीं सकती. हाउ विल दिस हैपन? मतलब क्लैट आपका एक्सक्यूज नहीं लेगा. वॉट एवर यू डोंट नो should be your goal in September. You don't know science articles, you read science articles daily. Economics के समझ नहीं आते, read every single day an economics article. By the end of September, you will be like कि हाँ अब कोई भी article दे दो हो जाएगा, right? Next, 2 mocks in a week. See, this is now I am talking about wholesome CLAT preparation. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एक ही सब्जेक्ट करने से पूरा क्लैट पास हो जाएगा. दिस इज आफ्टर ऑल फॉर व्हाट? 25% ऑफ मार्क्स और 24 to 26 मार्क्स इन योर क्लैट, राइट? अब उससे ज़्यादा भी तो कुछ प्रैक्टिस करनी है, वो है मॉक्स. वो क्यों? सी, व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग 20 क्वेश्चंस एवरी डे, दिस इज लाइक अ लोन. होता है ना, एक अलग से ये काम कर रहे हो. बट व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग अ मॉक, यू आर सॉल्विंग 5 सब्जेक्ट्स टुगेदर एंड नाउ यू कैन चेक how your CR is while you are solving a mock. When you are solving 3 subjects and then you are solving CR, आपके दिमाग पर असर होता है, आप थके हुए होते हो. Then that helps you to understand that if I am doing CR with a tired mind, how much marks am I scoring? अगर fresh mind से CR करी तो कितने marks आए? This is why you have to solve what? Mocks. And revision of concepts bi-weekly. Bi-weekly means when you are going to give a mock, take 30 minutes, 40 minutes and revise your concepts. ये वाला जो assumption है ना कि हमको आता है, अच्छी बात है, इट्स गुड फॉर यू कि हमको आता है, बट देर इज़ नो हार्म इन मेकिंग आवर सेल्व्स वेरी वेरी क्लियर इन आर कॉन्सेप्ट्स, राइट? इसका कोई नुकसान नहीं है. और इसका एक बेनिफिट ये है, व्हेन यू आर गिविंग द मॉक, योर माइंड विल बी लाइक एडजस्टेड टू रिविजन. सी, रिविजन इज द कोर ऑफ एनी प्रेपरेशन. आपने जीके पढ़ी, आप रिवाइज नहीं कर रहे, आप भूल जाओगे। आपने सीआर के कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़े, आपने रिवाइज नहीं किए, आप भूल जाओगे। लीगल रीजनिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, आप वो भूल जाओगे। इंग्लिश मीडियम में भी अगर आप प्रेपरेशन करें तो भी आप इंग्लिश के प्रिंसिपल्स भूल जाओगे। रिविजन इज़ अ मस्ट, एंड फॉर दिस बाई वीकली सिर्फ हफ्ते में 2 बार भी रिवाइज करोगे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू गो टू स्कूल एज वेल। आपके पास में टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट अगर है तो बाई वीकली व्हेन यू आर गिविंग द मॉक, बिफोर गिविंग द मॉक यू रिवाइज द concepts. Clear? And then at the end of 30 days, what do we expect? You have read 60 articles. True? 2 articles every single day, 60. Practiced 120 passages, 600 questions. See, I like to work when I can see an output. Of course, अगर मैंने 600 questions एक महीने में कर लिए, do you think कि मेरा confidence कहीं पर भी कोई भी हिला सकता है कि मुझसे CR होगी या नहीं? You have read 13 न्यूज़पेपर्स, ऑफ कोर्स। हफ्ते में अगर 2 मॉक्स देते हो तो 4 हफ्तों में 8 मॉक्स हो गए। एंड कॉन्सेप्ट का रिविजन कितनी बार हो गया? 8 टाइम्स। यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन एज ऑफ येट, बट आप ये एक बार करके देखो। इन द मंथ ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर यू विल बिकम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट फॉर योर क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग सेक्शन बाय द एंड ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर. Now let's talk about those who have ample of time in the day, those who are droppers, those who are done with their 12th class. Now you don't have any excuse as to how you can utilize your day. Read 3 articles every day along with newspaper reading. Thoroughly read different articles. This goes for everyone. It does not matter if you're going to school or not. This is like important. You have to read different articles to make yourself familiar with any kind of content, right? Because you have time, you solve 6 passages, that means 30 questions every day, time bound. Time bound as in start with 30 minutes, reduce this time to 20. और ये हो भी जाएगा. I am not making a far-fetched assumption कि ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता, ऐसा हो जाएगा. You take my confidence and you put it into action. If I am saying this can happen, try solving the questions in 30 minutes, and by the end of 30 days, you will be able to do what? 30 questions in 20 minutes. You will become so good in solving CR questions. Revise concepts daily. Now you do not have luxury of making an excuse, right? Because you are a dropper, you have ample of time. रोज रिवाइज करो concepts to be so familiar with the concepts कि हाँ हमने concept लगाने में तो कोई गलती नहीं की, right? 3 mocks every week is for you. आप concepts रिवाइज कर रहे हो तो आप हफ्ते में 3 mocks भी कर सकते हैं, आपके पास में टाइम है. When you are solving 3 mocks तो आप 3 बार इस चीज़ को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कि how CR is solved in a very एग्जाम environment, right? आप 2 घंटे का टाइम लो, try to solve it in 1 hour and 45 minutes the whole paper, right? Leave that 15-minute का margin and solve 3 mocks every week, and then check your performance in CR. If you are performing well here as well, इसका मतलब CR हमको अच्छे से आती है. And when you are solving these questions, make sure to be very clear with your reasoning. This is for everyone, school going or not school going. आप जब ये practice questions कर रहे हैं तो reasoning से उसको करना है. आपको वो fluke नहीं होना चाहिए कि ठीक है ये लग रहा है. That should not be your way of solving questions. You should have a correct reasoning as to why the correct answer is correct and 3 options are wrong. Either you use the elimination method that you eliminate 3 options and you pick the right, fine. Or you mark the reasons, like what is the reason for eliminating the 3 options. Either way you do it, you will be in a very, very good situation while solving mocks every week. And by the end of 30 days, you would have read what? 90 articles, different topics. Practice 900 questions. Do you understand कि जिसने 900 questions practice कर लिए हैं, CR becomes very easy for them. 750 minutes of revision, that is good enough. Only 12 hours and 30 minutes for in the whole month you are giving to CR revision, right? You must have read 30 newspapers. This is like given. You have to read the newspaper. It does not matter which newspaper you read. You want to read the Indian Express, the Hindu, Hindustan Times, New York Times, anything you want to read. Read it thoroughly. To remember the articles that I have read it and now I can explain it to someone. And 3 mocks in 4 weeks means you have given 12 mocks in the month. See, the preparation has to be wholesome, right? And preparation should only be for success. There should not be a point कि आधा कर लेते हैं. No. When you are preparing for a competitive exam where you are desperate for success and there is no other alternative to success, in that case hard work should not be an alternative. इतनी मेहनत तो हमें करनी ही है that we are very confident कि हमारे hard work complete है and now luck will be in our favor. Right? Try and follow this strategy for critical reasoning in the month of September, and when we meet the next time, I hope I find some confidence in my students that they are okay with CR and they are ready for the main exam. Okay? I hope this video helps you. Thank you.